iguana. Alright, we are within the clade Toxicophera, which is divided into 3 separate suborders: Iguania, Anguimorpha, and Serpentes. The iguana represents the iguanian branch. That means our animal could either be an anguimorph or a serpent. Viper. Okay, so it's not the viper. Therefore, it is not a member of the Serpentes. Our animal has to be a member of the Anguimorpha. There are 8 families classified under Anguimorpha. Shinisauridae, including only 1 species, the Chinese crocodile lizard. Lanthanotidae, including only 1 species, the earless monitor lizard. Varanidae, the monitor lizards. Helodermatidae, the beaded lizards. Xenosauridae, knob-scaled lizards. Diploglossidae, gallywasps. Anyalidae, American legless lizards. And Anguidae, glass and alligator lizards. Amongst the 8 families, the first 3 are classified under Paleoanguimorpha, while the remaining 5 are classified under Neoanguimorpha. Komodo dragon. And our animal is the Komodo dragon.